Hello everyone, welcome back to our online classroom. Today I will discuss to you all about laws of exponent. So let us start with the first law. X raised to 1 equals x. Ibig sabihin yan, any number na i-raise natin sa 1 that is equal to itself. Example, 5 raised to 1 equals 5. 400 raised to 1 equals 400. So next is x raised to 0 equals 1. Ibig sabihin yan, kapag i-raise natin yung mga number sa 0, that is always equal to 1. Except 0 raised to 0. Kasi kapag 0 raised to 0, that is undefined. So examples, 540 raised to 0 equals 1. 2 raised to 0 equals 1. Next, x raised to negative 1 equals 1 over x. Kung napapansin ninyo, meron tayo ditong negative na exponent. So, ang kailangan natin is, para maging positive yung exponent na to, we need to get the reciprocal. Ano ibig sabihin ng reciprocal? Yun yung kabaliktaran ng number. For example, sa fraction, 2 over 3 or 2/3. 2/3, open and close parenthesis, raised to negative 1, that is equal to 3 halves. So, kukunin natin yung reciprocal ng 2/3, which is 3 halves. Kung i-raise natin ito sa 1, di na natin nilagay kasi kapag i-raise natin ito sa 1, 3 halves pa rin yung sagot. For number 2 example, ang pagkakaiba nila ni number 1, ito fraction, ito whole number. Para maintindihan natin na bakit 1/4 yung sagot, understood kasi kapag whole number, merong 1 dito sa ilalim niyan. May 1 dyan. So, kung kukunin natin yung reciprocal, magiging 1 over 4. Hindi na natin nilalagay yung raised to 1 kasi kapag i-raise pa natin yung si 4 sa 1, 4 pa rin ang sagot. Okay, magbibigay ako ng example na kapag hindi 1. So, example, 5 raised to negative 2 equals 1 over 5 raised to 2. So, ayan. So, magiging positive na yung exponent ni 5. So, 1 over 5 raised to 2, that is equal to 1 over 25. Next, x raised to m times x raised to n equals x raised to m plus n. Kapag nagmo-multiply tayo ng mga variables, ina-add lang natin yung exponent nila kapag magkapareha sila ng variable. For example, x raised to 4 times x raised to 3 equals x raised to 4 plus 3 equals x raised to 7. So, magkapareha sila ng variable, x tsaka x, we need to add the exponent na lang. So, magiging 7. So, next, b times b raised to 3 equals b raised to 1 plus 3 equals b raised to 4. Next, itong pangatlong example natin, x raised to 4 times y raised to 3, di natin pwedeng i-multiply itong dalawang variable na to kasi hindi sila magkapareha. X ito, y ito, kaya magiging ganito pa rin yung sagot natin. Next, x raised to m over x raised to n equals x raised to m minus n. Ibig sabihin yan, kapag nagde-divide tayo ng mga variables, pwede na nating isubtract ang exponent kapag magkapareha ng variables. Example, x raised to 5 over x raised to 4 equals x raised to 5 minus 4. Kung mapapansin ninyo, magkapareha ng variables doon sa numerator tsaka sa denominator. So, pwede nating isubtract yung mga exponents nila. So, x raised to 5 minus 4, that is equal to x. Hindi natin nilalagay yung exponent na 1 kasi understood na may 1 talaga dyan. Next example, x raised to 2 over x raised to 7 equals x raised to 2 minus 7. So, that is equal to x raised to negative 5. So, kung napapansin ninyo, meron tayong negative na exponent. So, we need to get the reciprocal para magiging positive yung exponent ni x. So, ang kukunin natin ito, magiging 1 over x raised to 5. Okay, number 3 example. Ito, kung napapansin ninyo, ganun pa rin ang sagot kasi hindi sila magkapareha ng variable. Kaya hindi natin pwedeng isubtract yung mga exponents nila. Next is x raised to m, open and close parenthesis, raised to n equals x raised to m times n. Ibig sabihin yan, kapag meron tayong exponent dito sa x tapos ni-raise pa siya sa another exponent, minumultiply lang natin yung dalawang exponent na yon. Example, x raised to 2, open and close parenthesis, raised to 4 equals x raised to 2 times 4. That is equal to x raised to 8. So, i-multiply na natin yung exponent. Okay, next is, ang pagkakaiba nitong una sa pangalawa is, meron tayong 2 or more variables na nandoon sa loob. Itong kanina, meron lang tayong x lang dyan. So, dito, meron na tayong x tapos y. So, x, y, open and close parenthesis, raised to n, that is equal to x raised to n, y raised to n. So, example, x squared, y, open and close parenthesis, raised to 3. So, ang gagawin natin, yung mga exponent dito ni x at ni y, i-multiply lang natin doon kay 3. So, 2 times 3 kaya nagiging 6. Tapos, dito kay y na 1. 1 times 3, that is equal to 3. Next. Sa division naman, x over y, kapag ni-raise natin ito sa any number, minomultiply pa rin natin yung mga exponent na yan. Kaya nagiging x raised to n over y raised to n. Example, x over y, open and close parenthesis, raised to 3. So, ang exponent dito ni x, which is 1, kaya nagiging 1 times 3, kaya nagiging x raised to 3. Sa y naman, y raised to 1, kaya nagiging 1 times 3, nagiging y raised to 3. Next, a raised to 3 over b squared, open and close parenthesis, raised to 3. Sa a natin muna mauuna, so a raised to 3, 3 times 3, kaya nagiging a raised to 9, over b raised to 2, 2 times 3 kaya nagiging 6. So, a raised to 9 all over b raised to 6. So, yan lang. I hope na marami kayong natutunan. God bless everyone.